1992. I never liked being in the same place for some odd reason. All these pictures that I never wanted. How time changes that. It was always me against the world. I thought I was a badass. Let me tell you a cool story though, on my bike.
Surprise, surprise, another night to turn up. Whoa.
It's just me, myself, and I. Solo ride until I die. Cause I got me for life.
Yeah. Growing up, I had very few believers. My mom always told me to believe in yourself and worry less about anyone else. So I did. The first 20 years of my life, I saved up to go to Paris. So I did. There was no one by my side for my 21st birthday. Just one wish to keep going away every year. So I did. So why Russia, huh? For my 22nd birthday, I wanted to check on time. For my 23rd, I wanted to meet the tallest skyscraper in the world. So I did. For my 24th birthday, I wanted to do something different for her. And that was to meet my mom's favorite. So I did. 25th birthday, I just wanted to remind myself about the past journey with the Japanese version of the Eiffel Tower in a way. So I did. As time has gone by, I just wanted to continue seeing the world. So I did. My mom told me once, you were born alone, you will die alone. She had a point. But I had amazing opportunities in life where I shared my passion with others. Like the time I went back to Dubai, or the time I went to Aruba with someone who is not in the picture today. Riding bikes across one of the most beautiful bridges out there. Or the time when the kid at heart comes out. What about the time I had a beer in the UK and just end up surprising my best friend? At the top of a rainforest is where I want to be at. Or just taking my beautiful mother out to eat where she never expected to. So much to discover. Honestly, I just want to be that person my mom always told me to be. And that was to be myself. So I will. Now I'm celebrating 26 years of life in Moscow, where everyone told me it wasn't safe. Well, guess what? So I did. There's no real answer why Russia. But I tell you this much, I could finally cross it out my bucket list. You already know it's Escobar Jr. season, but tomorrow it's not guaranteed. And with that being said, for my 27th birthday, the goal is to go beyond me and help others in poverty. So I will. So wait, you thought I was gonna leave you there? Come on, the journey just started. Subscribe, hit a thumbs up, and let's go to different countries in the world. Let's go.